right. So how are you doing this week, Lily?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I'm going to go ahead and give us a little overview about how our session's going to go. So we're going to go over your homework. Then we're going to talk a little bit about what you learned in your group. And then we are going to end with a goal for you.
So
Okay.
here's my homework.
Okay. So I see that you had checked that you were having some difficult emotions or thoughts today. So can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, so I've been feeling like pretty anxious and like insecure about my ex. Like, he doesn't want to be with me, and it's like, what's the point? Like, if he's not going to be with me, then who will? Like, I don't know, I just like can't stop thinking about it, and I just feel so stupid because like I just can't stop thinking about it, and it's just really annoying.
So it seems like you're having some feelings of guilt and shame because you can't stop these thoughts.
Yeah.
Okay. And from what we've been practicing during your group and during individual therapy, have you been telling yourself anything, maybe validating yourself during those times?
Yeah, I mean, I try, like, I tell myself, like, to stop thinking about it, or, like I'm, like, a good person, and, like, I should just stop, and to kind of, like, make myself feel better, and, like, I'm, like, worth being with a good person, too. So, I mean, I try, but it's just, like, the thoughts keep coming, and I can't stop them.
And I think a good thing to remember, too, is that it's okay where you're at. So one thing we want to focus on is you accepting that it's okay where you're at, and you're practicing how to get better, and you're practicing how to get yourself to a better place emotionally. And so
yeah, it's just hard.
Do you think you would be able to say those type of validations, really accepting where you're at? Do you think that's something that you feel you can do right now?
Yeah, I mean, I think so, because I want to get better, so, like, I should start making myself feel better with, like, positive things.
And I think you've been doing a really great job working at getting better. You're doing your homework. You're really participating. So it seems like you're really willing to work on your skills. Why don't you tell me a little bit about what you learned in your group, in your skills group?
So we did this thing where we were talking about please master. And it was like pretty cool. Like, it makes sense, like, to take care of your body and like stuff like that, because then maybe I'll feel better. Yeah, I mean, the one that I really liked was I liked the sleep one, because I haven't been sleeping very well, and I stay up super late because, like, I just keep thinking about things, and so I think I want to try and work on that one.
Okay.
We talked about that yesterday.
Are there any that you really feel like you're doing well at this time, you're doing really good at?
Well, I feel like I try and get exercise every day, even if it's just like a walk or something.
Okay.
So that's the one I think I'm doing really good at, so I'm happy about that.
And do you see any change in your behavior as you started exercising and doing walking?
I feel like it makes me not think about things. Like, I'm able to think about maybe like what's around me, or like not, like, that's what I try and do, to just focus on like the plants or the grass or like people or anything besides that, and that seems to be helping. So I feel like I get some like peace when I do that.
Okay, so you're also doing mindfulness techniques?
Yeah, I guess so.
Good. Okay, so it seems like you kind of already have a goal for yourself that you want to focus on. Sleep?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so do you have a goal in mind? Do you think you can try?
Yeah, I think I want to get because I get like 4 or 5 hours right now. So I think I want to shoot for like 8 every day.
Okay. And how are you going to do that?
I don't know. Maybe like, I guess try and go to sleep earlier. I don't know. It's just really hard. It's hard to fall asleep. So that's, and then I get mad when I can't fall asleep. So I'm just frustrated.
Yeah. So do you think maybe exercising in the morning so that you're tired by the end of the night?
Yeah, I could try that, because I usually do it late at night, so maybe that's helping me not fall asleep earlier.
Okay.
So I think I'll try that, yeah.
Okay, good. Well, that's definitely a great goal that you have, and in the big picture, we have that for which goal? Which goal are we trying to lower?
My suicidal thoughts.
Yeah, so that's really great that you have that in mind, and I'm excited. You know, you can call me anytime during the week if
Yeah.
you do need that help and if you just need encouragement. So go ahead and do that, and I'll hear from you soon.
Thanks.
Okay.